Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wallowa County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hockley, Oregon, 11 miles southeast of Prairie View, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Prairie View, Hockley, Waller, Pine Island, and Pattison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a